Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the official soft-knit cover case for the Google Pixel 4. This latest addition to the Google smartphone lineup has been met with a degree of interest, and we're excited to see what comes from this device. We have one of their official cases with us today, taking a look at the overall fit and functionality and what it adds to the new device. Taking a look at the overall effect of the case, it has a very striking look that turns heads. The choice to use the soft knit-like fabric on the exterior, as opposed to a durable leather or plastic, is a highly interesting choice. It feels fantastic in hand, adding nice rounded edges to the phone compared to the almost box-like shape of the naked handset. There's 4 different colours to choose from, each with their own quirky name, starting off with Could Be Coral, Bluish, Just Black and Sort of Smoky. Of course, all of these options match the handset colour theme nicely, going with that pastel look that's easy on the eye but still very eye-catching. Today we have the grey and coral options. The highlight of any official case is the complete compatibility with the Google style, which I've always associated with fun and modern ideals. My thought would be how much dirt a fabric case might accumulate over time, but it states inside the box that these cases are washable, which makes these cases a little more appealing. I quite like the light colour highlights on the Google logo and the power button. It adds a hint of personality without it being too overbearing. It slips into the case pretty easily, though the sides do slip a little against the matte edges of the phone. Along the edges, both buttons are covered with one almost camouflaged in the case fabric and the power button encased in a contrasting plastic housing. Each button cover gives a nice satisfying click when pressed down, with no extra force necessary to press it down. There is a large cutout on the bottom that may make some phone users nervous about the lack of cover around the vulnerable power port, but it really does add to the accessibility of plugging in the power without fumbling with deep cutouts. The material does make the case a little slippery in hand and on smooth surfaces, making it a little less grippy than I'd like, but overall the pattern and soft fabric makes a statement, and it's nice to see a case with a little bit of flair compared to some of the plain black cases on the market. It's quite a thick covering that feels quite strong. The stiff framing adds a little bit more protection compared to a silicone or clear case, and even has a slight raised edge around the screen to save it from annoying surface scratches. Overall, it's a really decent premium case that feels quality. It holds itself to the high standard that a brand case should, and has the air of someone that's taken a lot of care into designing a solid covering. If you like a case with a little bit of personality, then this is a great option for your new Pixel 4. So that's it for our little look into the Pixel 4 official fabric case. If you've enjoyed this video and are on the lookout for more quality smartphone accessory news and reviews, then please head over to our channel to like and subscribe, where we make fresh tech content every day. Thanks for watching.